Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you guys 3 things I wish I knew before I started my webcomic. So the first thing I wish I knew was how much time it was going to take to make a webcomic. Of course, this is kind of like a general complaint. When you start on a webcomic, time flies. Just like to give you guys kind of an example is that I started a webcomic during college, which is like 2018. It was called Roommates. Right now, I am still working on it currently. I've been working on it for like 2 years now. Knowing that I have future projects I would like to work on, and also that I'm in another phase of my life where I'm no longer a college student and I have different opinions and mindset from since when I started this webcomic, low-key scares me a bit. Is just because I didn't know how much time was spent. It's better if you, when you start on a project, you can sort of roughly time plan it. It's basically just kind of writing down or like planning out how long you might take. The second thing I wish I knew was on how to build an audience and a branding. So when I started Roommates, my target audience were college students. And regrettably, I would say there's only that amount of college students in the world that's like reading webcomics. This is also the reason why I started Dear Alice, which is my other more shorter and lighter comic. I basically made it more demographic friendly. Also, for the branding part, Roommates wasn't very marketable. For Dear Alice, I really went through the thought of like people would want to buy like merch, and yeah, try to plan your comic and what type of demographic you would like to appeal to. So the third thing I wish I knew, and the final thing, is consistency. I would just like to come out and say I'm quite proud of myself for having to keep the consistency in my comic. Although I did struggle in the beginning with Roommates. In the beginning, I really wanted to go for like some like shadows and like highlights and make it like really this grand like comic that was like kind of anime like. I'm quite happy with the style that it has evolved to because it's less time consuming. I would say concept art has an important role in making a webcomic just because they keep you on track. So yeah, that's about it, I guess. If you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to like, subscribe. If you like what I do, feel free to support me on Patreon. I usually post work in progress, illustration downloads, and I also do behind the scenes and shoutouts. Or you can also support me on Ko-fi. Feel free to check out my comics, links in the description. And till then, I shall see you in the next video. See ya!